Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a 2003 model Caterpillar 232 with 1,743 hours. It has a 51 horsepower, 4-cylinder diesel engine. It has an operating load of 1,750 pounds and a tipping load of 3,633 pounds. It's a good running machine. You can see all of the skid steers that we have for sale by going to our website, texasskidsteer.com, or you can give me a call at 817-668-1018. We show machines 7 days a week by appointment, and we have fully insured shipping all over the United States. So give me a call. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.